SQLAlchemy order by descending. How can I use order by descending in a SQLAlchemy query like the following? This query works, but returns them in ascending order. If I try, then I get name error column global name desk is not defined.
Usage from at JPMC 26.
Just as in phi-e, you can also specify those things as column attributes. For instance, I might have done. This is handy since it avoids an import, and you can use it on other places such as in a relation definition, etc. For more information, you can refer this SQLAlchemy 1 point for documentation.
One other thing you might do is, this will result in order by name desk. The disadvantage here is the explicit column name used in order by.
You can use .desk function in your query just like this. This will order by amount in descending order. Or use of desk function of SQLAlchemy. For official docs, please use the link or check below snippet. SQLAlchemy.SQL.expression.desk column produce a descending order by clause element.eg. Will produce SQL as. The desk function is a standalone version of the column-element.desk method available on all SQL expressions, e.g. Parameters column, a column element, e.g. scalar SQL expression, with which to apply the desk operation. See also ask, nulls first, nulls last, select.order underscore by.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.